Unlocking the power of context. Introducing Pantheon, MarkApp's contextual bidder for CTV and mobile apps. In a post-cookie, privacy-first era, contextual relevance has become the new currency in programmatic advertising. At MarkApp, we are proud to introduce Pantheon, our proprietary contextual bidder technology designed specifically for connected TV, CTV, and mobile app environments. With over 7 billion monthly bid requests, Pantheon stands at the core of our infrastructure, enabling real-time enrichment of every impression with content-level, behavioral, and device-specific insights. The result? Smarter decisions for DSPs, improved user experience for audiences, and significantly higher performance for advertisers. What makes Pantheon unique? 100% contextual precision in real time. Pantheon dynamically analyzes each request based on metadata like content genre, screen type, app category, and time of day, all without relying on cookies or IDs. This ensures ID-less audience segmentation while staying compliant with global data regulations, GDPR, CCPA. 2. Custom bid stream intelligence. Through OpenRTB enrichment, Pantheon delivers powerful signals to DSPs, app and content taxonomy, geolocation and language layers, IAB categories and brand safety flags, engagement potential scoring. 3. Built for performance, Pantheon has demonstrated plus 28% uplift in engagement rates, reduced CPM volatility, higher ad relevance and ROI for buyers. 4. Global CTV and app reach. Pantheon operates across premium supply from direct partners: CTV, Rakuten, TCL, Scripps, Wido TV, Netcom. Mobile SDKs: Verve, Digital Turbine, Algorix, InMobi, Smato. Covering 60% NA, 30% EMEA, and expanding in APAC and LATAM. Future-proof and transparent. Pantheon is integrated with Human, Pixelate, and operates under IAB's TCF framework. It is fully compatible with Prebid Server, ORTB 2.5+, and ready for evolving privacy and transparency standards. Let's build smarter media together. Whether you're a DSP, agency, or brand buyer, Pantheon helps unlock high-quality impressions that match your goals. Ready to scale your CTV or in-app strategy with the power of context? Get in touch with us at adtech@markappmedia.site.